I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Anderson for those that do not know me. And today's video is going to be a dress haul from a couple of dresses that I got from Fashion Nova, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this first dress is called the Sweet Delilah, and what I like about this dress is that it has like the really frills, it has the bow tie, it has the florals all over it. I was at first kind of skeptical because I didn't know light blue would be my color. I'm more of a navy neutral type color, but this one seems to work good. The straps is adjustable. I will suggest if you're by yourself and you can't, don't have anyone to place it on you, to just go ahead and tie it up before you put it on. And another thing what I like about this dress is the poofiness, because it's a 3-layer poof. So you have like this organza and then have like it's not really real silk, it's like what, polyester or something like that. And so it gives it that extra poof. It makes me feel like Bridgerton, it reminds me of that when you have like little poofiness and everything like that. Okay, so this is the back. It has like little stretchy material. The dress is very comfortable. What I would recommend, what I've noticed when it comes to Fashion Nova, is that if you don't know your size, just get an estimate size. Like if you know you're like a 1X or a 2X, if the dress looks like flowy like this, I would say to go with your actual size. But if the dress is like kind of snug or kind of tight, like when you see the models, I would suggest go up a size. That seemed to be kind of accurate and seemed to work with me. But if you like your dress well fitted, well formed, then go ahead and go with your actual size. Okay, so if you didn't like the first dress because all the poofiness and all the frills, this dress is very similar to the first dress without all the poofiness in the 3rd layer. And this dress is called the Sandra Floral. And what I like about this dress is that it's really fitted right here. And it still has a little flow, still has like the floral detail. And let me show you the back. If you're uncomfortable with the straps aren't adjustable. So if you're not comfortable with having a strappy dress, then I would suggest like putting like a shawl or one of those. I can't even think of the name, but it's like a half sleeve jacket or whatever, crop jacket, sweater that you can put on. By the way, I'm so sorry if you hear extra noise. I am living back at home, so you might hear some door slamming or voices or anything like that. I would try my best to try to edit that out. So I really like it. You will have to, you can wear like a regular pull-up girdle if you want to like give that smooth effect in the back. But as far as like the top, of course, you don't want to wear a regular bra like how I got on. But this is just for visual effects. So you will want to have on a strapless bra. These little bow ties, I guess it's just extra decorations. You can tie those up too, or tuck them in or cut them off, however you prefer. But I really like the elongation of the dress, and I really like how slim it is right here because it gives you like the illusion of like a smaller waist. Oh Lord, it was so hard trying to get this dress on. Okay, so dress number 3 is the Meredith. Now, I have seen this dress all over social media. A lot of girls been wearing dresses similar to this. It has like they usually wear the one like it's like stitched down towards the center. But I like this because it's kind of similar. It does give you like that suck and tight. Oh my gosh. Like I said, depending on if you want like that snatch look, go ahead and get your size. If you have more of a heavier stomach area, then I would say go up a size. Now with this, I really do love the color and the material. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like tablecloth, like when you look at it up close. But other than that, it's very flowy. I really like the way that it looks. And for us black women, us black queens, red really is our color. So you really can't go wrong with the red dress. And here's the back. I had to put the dress on by myself, so I don't know if I got it on all the way, but it's good enough for show. So I will pair this with like some wedges, some cute little, air them toes out. Put like some sandals on or something strappy on or anything like that. But I really do like this dress. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep it though, because it's kind of tight, and then I'm like, okay, where am I gonna go to? Oh, I'm sorry. Here is a close-up of the dress. Sorry, I'm not trying to show my boobies. So I cannot pull that up. Goodness, it was a struggle trying to get on. But here's a close-up of the dress, and you see like the materials, like it's like tablecloth to me. But I mean, it's airy, it's very comfortable, and I do like the snatch waist. So we all about the snatch waist. But oh well. But I really like this. I really do. Man. Okay, let's move on to the next dress. Hey sis, I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but if you are enjoying this content and you find it valuable and you also want to support me, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on beauty and fashion. All right, now let's get back into it. So this dress is called Spring Evening. It is a floral sweetheart neckline dress. Let me show you the back. I struggled. In case you see any bras or panties or girdle hanging out, please bear with me. If you hear any background noises, also please bear with me. I try to block that out as much as I can. But for all educational purposes, you get the point of the dress. So let me show you a close-up. I really like the shape of it right here. It gives me like a little corset feel, and I'm all about showing off my curves, but I'm not sure too much about this cleavage part. I don't know if I feel really comfortable with that. I mean, I could wear an undershirt or something like that, but I mean, that'd be defeating the purpose. Who really wants to do all that? So another thing I want to point out about this dress is that it is 2 layers. It's like a short little cotton part right there, and then this, yeah, it also has some random pockets. I don't know where everything has to have pockets, but this has pockets. And I like how lightweight the material is, but I like the color, I like the cut. Again, it's just the cleavage thing. I don't think I could get past that, because I don't want to be Sunday service. I got my boobies all hanging out and everything like that. That ain't the way I want to catch a man, okay? I ain't trying to be a corner service looking like a Jezebel. Okay, here's the final dress. It is called Crystalline. It is a light baby bluish type dress. It has 2 spaghetti straps. It's not adjustable, doesn't have any pockets, and to me it's like a blue jean leather type, which is, I did not know that when I had purchased the dress, because it looked more of like polyester linen or something like that. But it's actually like a very stretchy jersey blue jean like material. But either way, I mean, it's still really cute. It comes all the way down to like your ankles, and it doesn't have any pockets, and I feel like this is another good dress option too as well. And let me show you the back. So I really like this. It's very like soft, feminine, even though, you know, I feel like light colors may not be too well on me, but I really been trying to get into more colors, maybe wear some pinks and everything like that. But I really like how this is just a powder blue. So I mean, I think I could still pull this off. Thank you so much everyone for watching my channel, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and like for more content. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.